Happy day 8. Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna make it this far, to be honest with you, because yesterday I was legit over it. Yesterday, I don't even want to say how desperate I was to maybe just like go out with my husband or just to eat something. I was hungry and I was like, shouldn't all this be like over? Why am I going through this? Now, I will say that my body was doing some weird stuff because it appeared that my cycle came back on, even though it was already like, gone from light to like no cycle whatsoever by Saturday. So then on Sunday, I was like, what in the world? Sunday was day 7. So on Sunday, I was like, what in the world is going on? It's like reappearing. It's like somewhat heavy. Like, what the heck? And I was hungry. I was starving. I persevered because my husband really wants to keep going. And I'm so proud of him. He's doing so good on this cleanse. He's doing so well, so much more than what I thought he would do. And now it's to the point where he's pushing me to kind of keep going. So we are still juicing on day 8. And we're gonna make it this whole entire week and then reassess after the week, because I told you this is gonna be different. It's not gonna be like I have a goal, I want to make it to like 30 days or 60 days or some kind of crazy number or whatever. It's listening to our bodies. It's going week by week, then reassessing. If we go 30 days, that's great. If we go 21 days, that's amazing. 14 days, peachy. But we're not making it like a goal that we have to go that. We're not gonna put that kind of pressure on ourselves. In the end, we'll see how many days we have gone. If it were up to me, day 7 would have been the last. But I do feel like there's more work to be done for sure. So I'm very appreciative of having that support, having him here with me doing the same exact thing I'm doing. So he's in the trenches, y'all. He's shooting with me in the gym. So I really feel like I haven't gotten that spiritual connection I like. I have it, but I haven't explored it. So I really this week am gonna make it a goal to really like dive into some deep and personal things that I've been looking forward to doing now that my brain is not as foggy as it was last week. Last week was insane. It was mass fog attack. I couldn't really think straight. Right now I'm having like some type of short-term memory loss or something, because it's like I'm forgetting things. That's what I noticed on day 8 and day 7. I'm forgetting things, but it's because I'm distracted by, like I'm hungry and thinking about like randomness and stuff that's like irrelevant to what I'm really trying to achieve. So we'll see how it is this week. Let's not forget, I'm still working full-time while on this detox. So if it gets to a point where I can't really fully function, we'll have to reassess and see what's going on. Because by now I thought I would get that mental clarity I was looking for. So I'm going to try and dive into that this week. We'll see how it goes. It's officially Monday, so fresh start to the week. I've got my water here. I haven't started juicing yet, but I have my water here. So I'm drinking out of her. That's 40 ounces I'm just about to drink this morning. And then I'll probably go for a walk this afternoon. I also have my treadmill here under my desk, and I'm going to just do the best I can. I almost forgot to show my juice for the day. So I'm drinking a peach combination. I actually forgot the name. Let me check. Strawberry, kiwi, lemon, carrot, and peaches. That's what's in here, and it's so delicious. I love it. It's really good. It's a little bit thicker, but that's fine. I like carrots in my drink because I can't really taste them, and I juice a lot of carrots. Like I put a lot in there, but just any fruit for me just masks the taste. But I like carrots in general. Like I love carrot cake. I love all kinds of carrot treats. So this is a treat for me. So to me, this is like almost like a dessert drink. Today I'm making some more green smoothies. I'm making some more green juices because I think that those are a little bit better for me, higher vegetable intake or content or whatever you want to call it. And then something like this is like a little sweet treat to keep me going throughout the day. It still contains some vegetables, but really it's just so good. I have a Pilates class scheduled. We shall see how I am feeling. We'll have to see if I could do it. And I don't know if I can do it until I actually try. So maybe I'll try. And if I could do it today, then I'll keep going, etc., etc., etc. So I'm really liking this approach of just taking it one day at a time, 1 week at a time, no pressure. I'm gonna check back in with you guys later, or I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.